I couldn't exactly get this one done in time for Valentine's Day, but that's okay. St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, and what a stunning presentation for this new trending cookie cake that has been hitting the scene since probably before the new year. I'm sure you guys have seen them. It's basically a shortbread cookie that is filled with cream, and it's decorated with pretty much anything you want to decorate it with. I've seen from fresh flowers to cookies to macarons to just all kinds of different decorations. So I'm going to show you my version. This is all the best recipes from Gretchen's Vegan Bakery, and I'm going to show it to you my style.
So I'm just really going to show you how to put this together, and all you will need is 2 recipes. I have my best recipe for sugar cookie cutouts, and it is important to pick a recipe that is durable, won't spread when baking, and of course tastes great. So I definitely recommend that you'll make mine. I have several vegan buttercream recipes too for you to choose from, and all the links are below this video in the description box. So definitely head over to my blog, and I have everything listed out for you on one neat page. Once you get those recipes prepared and the cookie dough has chilled, you can get right to it. You will have to re-roll the dough so it is smooth and pliable, and then cut out a template for your shape. A lot of these cookie cakes have been doing numbers or letters of the alphabet, but as I mentioned, I planned to get this one done for Valentine's Day but did not. However, I did still love the heart shape and thought, so what? Hearts and St. Patrick's Day, it kinda works. So cut the shapes out and then get them onto a sheet pan for baking.
So let me just interrupt really quick to kind of get you in on my thought process behind why I'm doing these perforations in the dough before I bake my cookie for this cream cake. I think my mentality is always stuck when I was in my bakery for all those years. Not only did I come up with a dessert and then execute it, but I had to think it through all the way to somebody actually buying it, taking it home, and serving it. And when I first saw these beautiful cookie cream cakes trending all over the internet, I thought, what a mess. How are they going to cut this? So I'm taking it one step further, and I'm doing these little perforations in the dough before I bake it. So hopefully that's going to really cut down on this monstrosity when you cut through and serve these pieces. Hey man, that's why I get paid the big bucks. All right, let's keep going.
Now, I've also used the same dough to make my cookie decorations and another recipe of chocolate shortbread dough too. Again, all the links are below. Now, I'm decorating my shamrocks with royal icing, and I will admit my shamrock cookie cutter game is really slacking. I'm not even really sure what shape this is. It looks more like a fidget spinner to me, but it's close to a shamrock, so it works. I'm dipping those chocolate hearts into vegan white chocolate and then dressing them up with some green royal icing. A few more final touches and it's time to assemble this cookie cake. So that's it. Really simple to make, but it does not look that way at all. In case you missed it, I did dip the stems of the flowers in white chocolate, so there's a barrier between the flowers and the edible icing. And I will say, my idea for making those perforations in the dough before baking, it really was a good idea. With a sharp knife and a sawing motion, you will not destroy this beautiful cake in the first cut. So I do hope you guys will give this one a try and grab the best recipes at GretchensVeganBakery.com. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love it if you also subscribe here to my channel for more great vegan recipes weekly. Really quick, I want to give a special thank you to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal for continuing to support this channel. The costs to make these videos are not cheap, and YouTube just ain't what it used to be. So thank you all so much to all of you who are helping. If you feel that you can help for as little as $1 a month, click the links below to find out how. Alright, thanks to everyone for watching my videos and visiting me daily on my blog. I love you guys so much, and I really just love sharing my recipes with you. Alright, until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.